Way to go. Pernicious pass to begin careless moment. Star down on the inside hand with the 8. Our solemn prayer and special best is the early trailer. Pernicious followed by Star and with the 8 racing in third, running in fourth. Our solemn prayer special best down on the inside and careless moments now running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Pernicious special best running in third, Star, our solemn prayer Henry the 8 and careless moment. Inside the last 600, Pernicious by Hapaland by the rally special best, and with the 8 racing in third alongside is our solemn prayer Star careless moment. Pernicious by 3/4 of a length by the rally special best, and with the 8 from the outside as they race the final corner. Pernicious special best, Henry the 8 running in third, our solemn prayer, and nearing the last 200 meters more to run, Henry the 8 special best, Pernicious, our solemn prayer from the outside, Henry the 8, our solemn prayer, special best down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be special best. Henry the 8, our solemn prayer, Pernicious, Hail Star, and Careless Moment.